Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are doing another Roblox video. But today we are playing a brand new game. Sorry for all the repeats. It's just, yeah. This is my first Shark Bite game, and hopefully you guys will subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment down below. I'll be replying to you guys 3 times. No, not 3 times. 30 minutes a day. Sorry. 30 minutes a day, and leave a comment down below for what game you would like me to play. And if everyone, like, if the most people vote for the same game, then I will play that specific game. So yeah, leave a comment down below for what game you would like me to play. I am climbing up the tower. Whoa, that was very easy. Okay, we were almost the shark, but it decided not to do it to us today. I don't have it anymore. I'm gonna do the wait. Nah, not gonna do it. You still inviting me? Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. It's better than my boat. I really don't care. Yeah. Rifle! Rifle! I'm like stuck on it. Oh, hello. Hello, peeps. Peeps! Sorry, I've been having a cough today. Okay, let's. Whoa, what the heck? What the heck? What the? I'm okay, I'm not dying. Oh, no. Oh, y'all gotta move, buddy. Oh, look, there's a little ducky. There's a little ducky. Whoa, I think I just saw the fin. We're gonna die. Ah! Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna happen. Okay, sorry. Oh! I hear it, I hear it, I hear it. Oh! 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 That was scary. That was scary. That was scary. It's Halloween, guys. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Hopefully you guys. Oh yeah, leave a comment down below for what you're going to be for Halloween this year. And if I like it, if I like it, I will reply to your comment, and I would say that was a really good costume. And then so please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up, like this video if you want to see more content like this nowhere else. Sorry for the British accent, I just feel like it now. So yeah, and there will be a vlog coming out soon for my merchandise. It's I am collecting it now. We already have like a few bottles and all that stuff, all that fun stuff. So yeah, make sure you do that, and like, yeah, do everything else I said. Leave a comment down below and leave what game you want to play, because I've been doing a lot of repeats. I'm very sorry, and people are like not liking me for it. So I was getting this advice from a friend, so thank you. But yeah, it'll be fun when my merch comes out. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm gonna have to figure out how to put it up for sale. I put it on eBay, just like eBay, yeah. So this is gonna watch the shark. Whoa, it's going for the yacht. Go for that yacht, believe. My graphics are on so low, I have no clue what is happening. Oh, whoa. Wow, that's so much better. Kind of. Okay. Believe in yourself, and your dreams will come true. Oh my goodness. He got the yacht. It's still going. It's still going, buddy. You can. It's flipped. Is there someone in the driver's seat? I really can't tell. Oh, he ran. That guy is running as fast as he can possibly go. This is so funny. I'm just waiting for him to just kill him. Because he's the last guy. Come on, you can do it, little sharky. Got him. Nice, shark. I like this music. It's awesome. Awesome music. I need 300. I have 200. I need 300. Ew. Why is he walking so slow? Double shark! Yes! I want to be a shark. I want to be a shark. Please, please, please. Everyone cross your fingers for me. Cross your fingers for me. Double cross them, actually. Okay, okay. There's still a chance. Still a chance. Still a chance. What? 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 Come on, help me. He's probably on the yacht again. Join, yeah, I'll do it anyway. You know what? Nah, do my own boat. We're going rogue. Kind of. We're going rogue. Kind of. Dun, dun. Doctor Who. Who watches Doctor Who? Sorry if I like insulted your favorite like TV show. I'm very sorry. Alright, let's do this. Go forward. Then we're gonna turn around. Where am I? Help. I'm turning all the way. Turning, keep going that way. Yeah, oh yeah, ho ho, ho ho, I'm a sailor on the sea. Sorry, I just watched Jaws, so I'm like, I have that little chant in my mind. I'm very sorry. Oh look, I'm gonna pick this guy up. Hey, hey. Where's he going? Where's he going? He doesn't want help. Oh, that's sad. I'm doing the same thing this guy is. Come on, turn. Okay, we good, buddy. Where you going? Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna like zoom out so I can like actually see. Okay, nope. Okay, and there we go. I'm gonna save these guys. Yes, not. And I'm gonna run for it. Double whammy. Ow. Keep going. Oh my gosh. There's the shark. Oh. Oh. That's land. Don't kill me for that. There's so many people dead. I think the shark. Oh, the shark's gone. What? There's no shark. I'm just flipping. That way. I want to get on this yacht. Ew. Oh. No. No. Thank you. Where'd it go? What is happening? Help! No! Help! Come on, you can do it. Flip over, big guy. Flip, 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 flip. You know what? Screw it. Okay. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I gotta get out. 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 Okay. Oh, that was so hard. Okay, now I'm just on this boat. This is easy. I'm a sea captain standing at the bow of her ship. There's no shark. Do you guys not see this? There's no shark. Dun dun! I just shoot this little raft. Was that a man? It's a man. Hi. Where'd he go? Is he in the water? Is he in the water? I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. So yeah, please, please comment down below what game you want me to play. I will actually play that game. If you see me, if I post a video and when you see me, see my game, when you see your game you played, comment down below. You say, Pineapple Number One fam, and you will be automatically joined into the Pineapple Number One fam. So this is all the recording time I have for today, guys. See ya.